Here's how we never run out of email ideas for our clients, ever. Most brands run into the same old problem. They sit down to write emails and have zero clue on what to say. Now, the worst part is when these brands have no new email ideas, they usually just succumb to running sales campaigns, which is a whole new problem. So today, I'm going to show you the 6 exact strategies we use to come up with 10 to 20 original campaign ideas every single month for our clients using a repeatable framework. Plus, if you watch to the end, there is another 4 bonus strategies that are just as powerful. Let's jump in. The first framework is my favorite because it's the easiest to implement, and 90% of the time, most brands ignore it. They jump straight to trends or promos, but what we do is we start with our own content bubble. Chances are your brand has already made some kind of content around your products. Start with what you already have. Your blog post, social captions, UGC, reels, and even frequently asked questions for objection handling. For example, if you're a food brand, pull recipes or pairing ideas. If you're a fashion brand, repackage style guides or seasonal trends. Outdoor brand, show how-tos, trail guides, and gear tips. You don't need net new ideas every single time. You just need new angles on what already works. The next goldmine that most brands ignore is testimonials and reviews. The good, the bad, and the hilarious. While yes, brands do use reviews in their campaigns to highlight product experiences from others in the middle of an email, but this is completely different. This is how we use reviews. Positive reviews are proof angles on here's how people are actually using this. Negative reviews are objection handling, why this is a misconception or why this misconception isn't true. The weird reviews are my favorite because they're humorous, and humor or personalization add on to the reality of the brand. We once turned a "My dog ate my retainer" into a whole reminder campaign that netted $1,500. Now, you can source all the reviews you have from Trustpilot, Yotpo, Judge Me, Looks, Google, Amazon, even Klaviyo survey flows and post-purchase quizzes. And to supercharge this, download all the reviews you have into a spreadsheet. Upload them to your favorite LLM, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity, and have it do deep research and ask it to summarize recurring themes, praise, or concerns. Now, here's a prompt I love to use. What are the common likes, dislikes, objections, and reasons people bought in these reviews? Create 5 email angles for each category and segment each category, and it will spit out a plethora of ideas that you may never even thought about. Moving on to the next idea generator. Check your direct and indirect competitors. Here's the difference between the two. Direct competitors are the ones that sell the exact same thing as you do, and indirect competitors are tangentially solving the same problem but use a different product. Now, once you have your list of competitors, go through their site and socials and look for testimonials that their customers leave, product objections they solve, blogs and emails that they're already sending. I mean, hell, we even created a burner inbox at Aspect that automatically tags and organizes emails from hundreds of competitor brands adjacent to what our clients sell. And the best part, we keep emails from totally unrelated industries, because sometimes being too close to the same industry boxes you in into only thinking about one certain way, and getting outside of that opens you up to new angles that you've never thought of before. For example, a skincare email inspired one of our best performing dog brand campaigns. Creativity multiplies when you leave your bubble. Moving on to the next strategy, we get outside the brand and go where our customer already is. Where do people go when they have questions? They go to Reddit, Quora, TikTok comments, Facebook groups. So what you can do is search best product type Reddit. What to look for in product before buying. What I wish I knew before using product. You'll get hundreds of real questions you can turn into winning angles, like what nobody tells you about, here's what people get wrong about. If you're wondering this too, read this. Top myths about product that no one talks about. The next strategy has birthed some of our best performing emails. They came from tying the product to something happening now. Trend jacking without being cringe. Current sporting event, tie your brand into competition, excellence, or teams. Back to school, summer wrap-up, and productivity angles. Pop culture, careful but clever if done well. Memes, viral TikTok trends, etc. If nothing is on for current events, then use this pro tip. Use nationaldaycalendar.com to spark ideas. There's a day for literally everything. If you're selling running shoes, you can do National Running Day. If you're selling coffee, you can do National Caffeine Awareness Month. You have a pet brand, National Spoil Your Dog Day. It's another excuse to show up in someone's inbox with something playful and relevant at the same time. Now, this last one does take a bit of work, but AI has made it significantly easier. We're going to be digging into your ideal customer profile with problem-specific angles. The prompts are simple, and let's go through this together. Let's say you sell energy gels for beginner marathoners. Prompt number 1 would just be, what are the 10 biggest challenges beginner marathoners face? You'll get a pretty good list, and now we dive deeper with a follow-up prompt. Let's break down the topic of nutrition into subtopics and concerns. Now we're getting somewhere. And now let's finish it off with the last follow-up prompt. What are the common fears and frustrations people have about race day nutrition? Answer it like it's coming from a survey. Now, boom, we got 10 plus email ideas just from the fears that we got from the prompt. Like, what if I get sick during race day? What should I eat the night before? I'm scared of trying energy gels for the first time. Your customers' real words are your best copy. Now let's go through some rapid fire strategies. If you're still stuck, here are some 4 more strategies that we use at Aspect to spark campaign ideas in under 10 minutes. Number 1 is recycling top performing flow emails. If an abandoned cart or welcome email is crushing it, rework it into a standalone campaign, because if it already works, then why get it buried in the flow? Next, dig through support tickets. You can pull ideas from your help desk. Now, the most common questions and frustrations that customers get are very easy to parlay into email content that handles objections. Now, you can also send a 1-question survey. This could literally be a plain text email coming from the founder, and in the email, ask your list, what do you wish you knew before buying product? The replies practically write your next 3 to 4 emails. And lastly, you can repurpose creator content or UGC, basically take viral TikToks or Reels and turn those hooks and quotes into short, punchy campaign intros that leverage what's already working on social. And now this is how we consistently generate 10 to 20 unique email ideas per client per month, and you can do the exact same. So if this video helped you, hit the like button so more people can find it, and subscribe if you want more tactical emails, strategies, and breakdowns every week. Just hit that button down below. Now, if you want us to audit your email strategy and show you how much you could be earning from your emails, click the link down below and book a free audit. Now, YouTube also thinks you're gonna love this video right here, so go ahead and check that out afterwards. It's been Nikita, and I'll catch you in the next one.